Hey guys, and welcome. Now let's start to explore the simple bass lines here, and we'll be playing through a 2-5-1 progression. Okay, we'll be in C major this time, and on all of these degrees of the scale, we're gonna keep to the triad. So we're not gonna go up to seventh chord, dominant seventh, major seventh, and minor seventh chords yet, but we're gonna play the very, very important first three notes of those chords, the triads. So on the second degree of the scale, of the C major scale, as you know now, there is a D minor triad, the D, F, A. And on the fifth degree on this triad, there will be a G major triad, a G, B, D. And on the first degree, or on the root of the triad, is a C major triad. So it's C, E, and G. Okay. Now we'll only use two notes per chord, the roots and thirds this time. Okay. So let's start with the 2 chord with the D minor. So we'll start on the D note here, go up to the F, which is the third of the triad. Now we're going to carry on to the 5 chord, to the G. So we'll play an open G. Now we'll play a B, which is the third of the triad. Now let's resolve into the 1 chord, into the C major triad. So we'll resolve to a C, which is the root, and come back to an E, which is the third of that triad. And now play another root note, the C, an octave lower here. And then come back up to the C again, to the third of the C major triad. So now we can continue with another D here for the 2 chord. And then come down to this low F this time. So we'll change a little bit of range here. Okay, so we'll play this F here as the third of the D minor triad. And then continue to the G again an octave lower. And we'll step up to the third of this G major triad, to the B. And now we'll resolve to the C again here. Okay. And this time I'll play a nice low E note here as the third of the C major triad. Then come back to the C again and go up to the C note again. Okay. And that actually finishes this 8-bar line. So I played half notes all the way through, or minims if you're in the UK. Well, you could loop this line back into itself, so you could basically practice it as long as you like. Okay, and it gives you a real nice 8-bar phrase here, 8-bar simple bass line here. So I'm just gonna play through it one time for you, going through the whole thing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Start again. Okay. Now let's have a listen to this line with the play along. Okay, and you'll be able to hear the characters of each and every note against their respective chords. That's great. Now enjoy learning this line, and I'll see you next time.